Hi everyone, just want to say thank you for everyone that support my channel by like my video, comment and donation. I truly appreciate your kindness and your support to my channel everyone. I'm share with you this project today. I didn't want to do it, but there's so many people request, so I'm gonna do it to show you. I'm reuse the paper. So I want to make the circle of 6-inch circle. So I'm gonna fold the paper. You can use the new paper, the new one. I just reuse everything. So I'm using this to cut in 6-inch circle. So after the fold in half and fold again, you can use the Xerox paper. And I go around here and I'm going to mark 3 inches all around. If you follow me long enough, you know how to make the circle. Fold the paper in half and the half again. And then after that, whatever circle you're looking to make, you go halfway. If I'm making the 6, then I go around with the 3. If I'm making 8, I go around with 4. And now, from this half circle like this, you go on to fold into 3. Divide 3 equal parts. I think it's going up a little bit more. You can see, don't pull it permanent yet. Try a little bit and see if it's even, then you do that for sure. Okay. Go one side to the other side, and then you go into draw the line so you can cut this. There you have the hexagon. Everyone, I'm using the black one. Go around and make it 2.5 inches so you can have a 5 inches circle. Go around like this, all around with the 2.5 to come up with the 5 inches circle like I cut in here. After you cut in the 5 inches circle, you fold the paper in half like this. Place on the fabric, and you're going to cut out 6 different colors of the half circle. 6 of them. I also match the color 2 inches by 6, and I have 6 of them. So like this and this. This and this. This is the jelly roll the other day when long time ago, not the other day. I bought it from Walmart, and I'm using this one to sew around here first. You go and to sew starting from here. Place the fabric where as the beginning here. You go to sew all the way down here, but before that, a quarter up and end before. So I'm gonna mark right here. You go on to stop, so that later on will stuck under. So right side facing the right side, you're gonna sew a quarter up and ends to here and stop. So everyone, after I sew from here all the way a quarter up and ends before, and then I'm gonna flap this. Make sure you press so it evenly like this. And then the next color, whatever colors you decide to be next, go for it, but you start it from here, from the end to here, right side facing in. And at this time you're going to sew all the way to here. Okay, super simple, and continue to do so. After this, you're gonna flap this out, and then you're going to add the next color. I have 5, and remember we left in here a quarter of an inch when we first started. Lift this up, lift this underneath here, start sewing the same way. So all the way. Everyone, after I lift this up and I sew the purple one, you're gonna press this just like the other 5 pieces. And then you're going to put the yellow pieces back. Go in the back here. You're going to sew this piece together, just like this, the yellow. Now you're going to sew the yellow all the way. After this, I'm gonna go around, make sure I'm going to press everywhere. Very pretty. So in the back here, that little thing that hanging, you can cut this too. So everyone, after you iron everything, yeah, you're gonna place the color. Okay, so let me just leave it like that, and we're going to place the color. So after this, we're going to sew. You're going to place this, the blue, touching the blue on the side like this, right side facing down, and then you're going to sew 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. So one side to the other. When you're done, you flap this up, press and everything, and then the next color will be yellow. Same thing, place it down, right side facing in together, and then sew and then flap this out. The next one is the purple, right side facing in like this, side by side, sew this and then flap this up. Continue to do all 6 of them. Super easy, like this, right side facing in, and then sew and flap it out. Okay, same to all this 6 corners. Now this one is made by request, and a lot of people asking me, so I hope you like it, everyone. That's why I'm using the black for the inside, that will show better on the outside. Everyone, after I sewed it and I push it out like this, and I press and iron all around, I also cut in here the hexagon. I forgot, and at the end I just put it up on the petal like this, and then I trace around, and I cut in exactly the same size of this with the fusible flea, like that. So now I'm gonna go and iron this here. The rough side, that the glue side, I'm gonna iron on this. So make sure that I have placed everything corner to corner, side to side, and everything. It's optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, okay? And you iron, you touch in the back, nothing come out, then it really glues. This one, it loose a little bit, so I'm gonna go and iron a little bit more. And now you're going to find a back fabric. You're going to sew this. Right here, just a little, 2 inches right there. You're gonna sew it down. Remember, sew it down to here. Sew it to here, going up all the way, and sew it down to here, going up all around and to here, going down at the corner, quarter up and ends, and then from here go all around to here, going in, and then going all around here, go to here, go all the way up, come down to here and go up. Leave this open so you can insert. Go around. After I sew around here, I'm gonna go around and trim this. This is very easy and it's beautiful too at the same time. A lot of people request me to do this, but I have so many things to do. Everyone, you're gonna go top stitch around a petal here on the top, and then after that you go into the hexagon, the black side here, top stitch on this. And then after that, if you want, you can go and top stitch on this here, go all the way down to here, and top stitch this side, go all the way, top stitch here, and go all the way here, all the way here, and then here, go all the way, top stitch it down, and then, you know, basically it. So you top stitch every fold in here. It take you a few minutes, but you're done. Is so pretty. I finished, everyone, and this is what it looked like. It is so cute. I top stitch in here around the side in here. I didn't go to the hexagon because I don't want to use the black dress that it go in here. Doesn't look good, so I use this the white dress, and it go around here, and then from here I go around, and it around like that, and then from the outside I went around the curve. So cute. All right, so that is that. You can do whatever you want to do with this, whatever you want to use for. I'm here to show you how to make it. You can place the place in here, the bowl on top, whatever, centerpiece, flower vase, or whatever. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that have been so kind to my channel by donate and join my channel membership, and also comment on my video. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you. Stay safe. Take care.